Hi, I'm John Deering. I'm a consultant orthopaedic surgeon practicing privately here at Roswell Hospital in Glasgow. I've been an orthopaedic surgeon since 2002 and I specialise in knee and sports injuries. Customised Conformis knee replacements are individually designed to fit the anatomy of the patient. Using specialised 3D imaging technology, Conformis knee replacements effectively mimic the natural shape and contour of your knee. They are designed to mitigate the issues patients face with traditional, generic, off-the-shelf implants, significantly reducing instability and pain, whilst being better suited to fit your existing bone structure. A CT scan is used to make a 3D model of the knee, and that model is then used to make bespoke cutting jigs, which are used in surgery to prepare the knee more accurately. The models are also used to make the customised implants, which give you a better fit and feel. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation, please give us a call or visit the website to book online.